If you want to enable back tap gesture on Motorola Moto G87, first of all we need to go to settings. Over here in settings you want to scroll down a little bit and we need to find the gestures option. After going to gestures you should be able to find the quick launch option over here, and this is the back tap gesture, and here we can turn it on or turn it off just by tapping on the switcher. So of course we can enable it since we want to use it. Besides that, you can tap on the try it out over here in order to find out where exactly you need to tap in order to activate this option, because unfortunately you cannot really tap anywhere at the back of the phone. If you try to tap it in the middle of the phone, it will probably not work. So usually where I usually tap is like over here, like in the bottom right corner right next to camera. So you should be able to tap over here or somewhere over here to actually make it work. Now in my case now it doesn't work, so maybe I'll just have to tap somewhere else. It is actually a little bit it's not so intuitive to actually find out where exactly you need to tap in order to make it work, but there we go. Now I actually tapped over here and it works, so maybe you will be able to figure it out if you just go over here. There we go. So I'm pretty sure it is like somewhere close to cameras over here. And besides that, what you can also do is you can tap on the setting icon in the bottom left corner, and over here you can decide what should happen when you double tap the back of the phone. So by default I believe we have back to home selected on this phone, but you can switch to pretty much anything else, and you can even choose a specific app over here, so you can open a specific app of your choice with this gesture. And also you can adjust the tap strength in order to choose how hard you have to tap in order to actually activate it. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.